Hello, welcome back. Kindly subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Are you using poultry litter in your garden or poultry farm? Want to supercharge it naturally? Reduce odours, prevent diseases and parasite buildup, turn it into pure gold and improve soil fertility? Today, we will show you how to change poultry litter the right way using salt and wood ash. Again, I will teach you a bonus trick to turn old litter into pure gold mine. Why do you have to manage poultry litter carefully? Poultry litter is a powerful organic fertilizer, rich in nitrogen and other nutrients, but it also comes with challenges: strong smell, parasites, and the risk of nutrient overload. Again, parasites and disease can build up in your poultry coop or your hen coop when litter is left unchanged for a long period. So, these are the benefits of adding salt and wood ash to your poultry litter. This is where salt and wood ash come in. 1. Salt can help absorb ammonia, a common odorant in poultry litter, contributing to a more unpleasant smell or environment. Again, wood ash adds potassium, calcium, and raises pH naturally. Also, wood ash and charcoal are great to add as they have anti-parasitic and antibacterial properties. Again, they serve as powerful mineral supplements because wood ash contains various minerals that are beneficial to poultry, like calcium and potassium, which can support egg production, bone strength, and the overall health of your birds, says ResearchGate publication. Again, potential health benefits. The minerals in wood ash can contribute to the bird's overall health and well-being, potentially improving their growth and egg production. The moisture absorption power of wood ash, because wood ash can absorb moisture from the beddings, contributing to a drier and healthier environment for all chickens. Wood ash can be effective at killing and preventing parasites in your chicken coop and your dust bath area. So, how do you change your poultry litter with salt and ash? Let's walk through the process. The first one is you remove feed and water from the coop to prevent contamination. You remove your old litter and clean the coop floor. Secondly, you add a thin layer of salt, just a sprinkle, to avoid salt buildup. Alternatively, wood ash and salt can be mixed together before spreading on the coop floor. You can spread wood ash evenly, about 10 to 20% of your total litter volume. Also, you add fresh beddings like straw, sawdust, or rice husk, and then you let the chickens do their thing. Wood ash is relatively cheaper and free to get in some farming areas. Do you want to compost it? That's even better. Mix poultry litter, wood ash, and sprinkle a salt or a sprinkle of salt into your compost bin. Let it break down for 30 to 60 days, and you have rich, balanced compost for your garden, your vegetables, your crops, and other purposes that they are intended to do. These are the bonus tips or the important tips you have to ensure when changing your poultry beddings with salt and wood ash. The first one is that you should never overuse salt, as too much is not always good. Also, you have to test the pH of your coop regularly, and if they are composted, if the litter is composted, you have to check the pH of your soil that the litter or the compost is being applied regularly. And the last one is that you should avoid using treated wood ash or coal ash. To cut everything short, in managing poultry litter, it doesn't have to be messy. With just a touch of salt and ash, you will turn your waste into a powerful organic fertilizer, which can help you in your garden, in growing of your vegetables, and for other purposes. So, if this video saved you money and you've learned a lot of things from it, like, share and subscribe to this channel for more natural farming tips. Thank you. Bye bye.